Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato soup with tomato juice, only way. Start by warming 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a medium pot and sauté 1 diced onion until translucent. Add minced garlic and cook briefly. Pour in 4 cups of tomato juice, add 1 cup of stock, a teaspoon of sugar, salt and pepper, and a bay leaf. Simmer gently for 20 minutes, then blend smooth and finish with a splash of cream. Adjust seasoning early and taste, often as tomato juice can vary in salt and acidity. For thicker soup, simmer uncovered to reduce, or stir in a slurry of cornstarch and water. Fresh basil or dried oregano both work. Add dried earlier and fresh at the end to preserve brightness. For creamy texture, try half and half or coconut milk, and blend fully for a silky finish before serving with warm bread or croutons. Balance acidity by adding a pinch of sugar or a splash of balsamic vinegar until the tomato flavor sings without tasting sour. Use broth or stock for depth, and a tablespoon of butter to round flavors at the end. Leftovers, store well in the fridge for 4 days or freeze for up to 3 months in airtight containers. Reheat gently over low heat to avoid breaking the emulsion and stir in a little water if too thick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.